How to restore Google Photos to gallery. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to restore Google Photos to gallery. So to do this procedure, you just have to follow the simple steps. So open up your Google Photos app and log in into your account. When you're logged in, go to collections. If you don't see collection, then it's probably library. Next thing what you need to do is go to bin, and then you need to go and locate the photo that you wish to restore it to restore it to gallery. Let's say I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the restore button. As you can see, this is already restored. Now, if you want to go ahead and locate the particular photo, then you could go ahead and open up your camera, and then here you could find the particular restored. So if you want to go ahead and add this to gallery, if it is not already added, then you could go ahead and simply download it by tapping on the three dot icon, and then you can find its download options, or you could find it somewhere here. So which means if you're unable to find it, so which means it's already been added to your gallery. So this way you could go and restore Google Photos to gallery. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.